Hello everybody, this is Dr. Jyoti P. Pant who is working as an assistant professor in Sri Siddhaganga College of Education, which is one of the reputed and esteemed institution established by a great pontiff by name Sri Shivakumara Mahaswamigalu at Tumkuru. Now in this video, I would like to share few information regarding socialization as well as family as one of the agencies of socialization. Now at first we shall study what is socialization. Socialization is defined as the process of transforming the human animal into a human being, of converting the biological being into a social being. Man's behavior is learned behavior. The human child comes into the world as a biological organism with animal needs. He is gradually molded in society into a social being and learn social ways of acting and feeding. Then the process of molding and shaping the personality of the human infant is called as socialization. There are different agencies of socialization, such as this image shows the different agents of socialization, namely family, peers, school, mass media, work, and religion. Among all these agencies of socialization, we shall study the family as one of the agencies of socialization in this video. Family is considered as a primary agency as well as an informal agency. Now the question arises, why family is considered as a primary agency? Because in family, the socialization of a child takes its first step. Whatever the child learns in the family plays a basic foundation for his future socialization. Moreover, child gets direct experience for all those behaviors, attitudes, actions, values, culture, etc. Everything, for everything he gets the first hand experience in the family and direct experience in the family. This is because of which family is considered as a primary agencies of socialization. And one more thing we have also learned, that it is an informal agency of socialization. The main reason behind calling family as an informal agency of socialization is that the individual who is going to educate the child to become socialized, the place where the socialization need to take place, the time when the socialization has to take place, the type of experience that the child receives in the process of socialization is not pre-planned, and it is situational. It occurs as and when the situation demands. Because of all these factors, family is considered as an informal agencies of socialization. Now comes what are the skills that the child is going to learn, or what are the attitudes or the behaviors that the child is going to learn from the family. The child is going to learn to keep his body fit. That means the family will make the child help the child to be physically fit by providing him the nutritious food, and also providing him training him to get certain experiences to keep his body fit by involving the child in one or the other activity. Next, the child will learn how to make movements in the family, by which it will learn how he has to move from one place to the another place. He learns how to walk, how to jump, how to run. Everything will be taught in the family. And the next is that the child will learn the language, which is very much required for the child to communicate in the society. As we all know that family is the first school for each and every child, and mother is the first teacher for each and every child. Thus, family helps the child to learn the communication. It will also help the child to learn the values and beliefs that exist in the family. It will make the child to adjust to the family by developing all the values and beliefs of the family. Thereby, it will help to adapt to the society. And the family will also make the child to learn the culture of the family. Thereby, this experience will help the child to to learn and transfer the culture existing in the society and to adapt it in his life. Apart from all these things, the child will develop the cooperation attitude, the obedience, the sincerity, the mutual respectfulness. All these attitudes, behaviors, values will be taught in the family to the greater extent by molding the behavior of the child by each and every member of the family. So, this is how family plays an important role in socializing the child. Whatever the child learns in the family will be adapted to the society. Thus, family helps a child to get socialized. Therefore, family is considered as one of the important agencies of socialization. This is all about the meaning of socialization as well as family as one of the agencies of socialization.